In this video, we will show you how to renew a cigarette and tobacco products wholesaler license. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to our website, cdtfa.ca.gov, and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services profile page under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Cigarette and Tobacco Wholesaler License hyperlink. This will take us to the Cigarette and Tobacco Wholesaler License page. To renew a license, you must apply for a renewal before the end of December 31st of the current year. To file for a renewal, click on the Renew, Move, Close a License Location hyperlink. This brings us to a License Options page. Review each location and select if you would like to renew, move, or close a license. In this example, we are renewing our license and will leave the renewal option selected. Click Next. This brings us to the Storage Locations page. You will need to answer the question, are you storing cigarettes and/or tobacco products at a California location other than your sales location? In this example, we are storing cigarettes and/or tobacco products at another location and we'll select Yes. To add a storage location, click on the Add a Storage Location hyperlink. Enter the address of your storage location. After entering the address of your storage location, you will need to verify the address. Click on the button, Click here to validate address. If everything is correct, the information will change to Address Verified. Next, click the Add button to add the location. The storage location information will now appear in the table. If you need to make edits to the information, you can click on the Click here to edit hyperlink. You can also add additional storage locations by clicking the Add a Storage Location hyperlink. We have no additional storage locations to add and we'll click Next. This brings us to the Declaration of Intent page. This is to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your application for renewal is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Check the box to confirm your understanding. Then click Next. This brings us to the Felony Acknowledgement page. Please read this information carefully. Check the box to confirm your understanding. Then click Next. This brings us to the Summary page. You will see the number of licenses closed, if any, the total number of licenses renewed or moved, the fee amount per license, and the total amount due. In this example, we do not have any closed licenses, we are renewing one license, and the total cost of the application is $1,200. Please note the fees displayed are for demonstration purposes only. Please visit our website for the most current fees. Next, select how you would like to pay the total amount due. In this example, we will select ACH Debit. Click Next to continue. This brings us to the Payment page. Complete the required fields under the Payment option and Payment Details sections. When all required fields are completed, click Submit. This confirmation page represents a submission of your application. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend you print this page for future reference. To print your submitted application, click on the Printable View button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If there are no holds, you will be able to print your license immediately. A hold can occur if your California Secretary of State SOS number has been suspended or forfeited. Our system performs an SOS validation and will let you know if there is an SOS error upon payment. If your SOS number is suspended or forfeited, you will not be able to print your license. If there is a hold after your application is processed, you will be notified by email to check the status of your request once the review has been completed. To print your license, click I'm Done. After clicking I'm Done, you will be returned to your cigarette and tobacco wholesaler license account page. Under the I Want To section, to print your renewed license, click on the Print Cigarette and Tobacco Licenses hyperlink. On this page, you will see the available cigarette and tobacco product wholesaler licenses to print. Our example license has been renewed for the year of 2022. All the licenses are automatically checked to print. You can deselect licenses to print by clicking on the checkbox. We do not need to print the 2021 license and will deselect the checkbox. Next, click on the Print button to print your selected license. A new window will open, displaying a copy of your license which you can print or save. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115. California Relay Service at 711.